If you've decided to delete your Etsy account permanently, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account is removed completely. Step 1. Sign in. Log into your Etsy account using your email and password. Make sure you're accessing the account you wish to delete. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select the account settings to access your account management options. Step 3. Navigate to privacy settings. In the account settings menu, look for the privacy tab. Click on it to find options related to your account and data management. Step 4. Request account deletion. Scroll down to find the option for account deletion. Follow the prompts to request the permanent deletion of your account. You may need to confirm your decision by entering your password again. Step 5. Confirm deletion. After submitting your request, check your email for a confirmation message from Etsy. Follow any additional instructions provided in the email to finalize the deletion process. Once you have completed these steps, your Etsy account will be permanently deleted. Make sure to download any important information or data before starting this process, as it cannot be recovered after deletion.